Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Today's video ay para sa inyo mga Virgo. Kung ano mga naghihintay para sa inyo this month of February. Kaya tutok na Virgo. So Virgo paalala, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is resonant for you. So Virgo, kung ikaw ay bago sa aking channel, welcome. Kung ikaw naman ay pabalik-balik, abay maraming salamat. Virgo. Kung ikaw ay bago sa aking channel, Virgo, huwag kalimutan din mag-subscribe, okay? Para laging updated sa mga videos na ating i-upload. So universe, what is your message for Virgo this month of February? Virgo. Virgo. Show me what is your message for Virgo. Virgo, may biglang lipatan this month or may travel. So, some of you mga Virgo ay napaka-close ng ating Panginoon, marilyoso. So, be careful also Virgo, may mga betrayal dito. May promosyon, may kasunduan, may mag-o-offer sa inyo din about trabaho ba, pera, tungkol sa pera, no? So, may mga meditation na affirmation na magkatotoo din this month. May promosyon, mga offer. So, kung ano man yung mga hinihintay mo ay paparating na rin, Virgo. The ship is on the way. Some of you ay bonding of the family this month of February. Some of you ay mag-aasawa. Some of you ay bibisita sa inyong probensya. Some of you makabili ng lupain sa inyong probensya din. So, some of mga Virgo ay may nagkatubiling tanggapin ng mga offer na ito. May bumabagabag sa iyong isipan, Virgo. Some of you ay may third party, kaya pala may nasaktan dito. No? Some of you mga Virgo ay may mga nadurog ang puso, no? Something nasaktan, mga third party. No? So take what is resonant for you, Virgo. Alright, so some of mga Virgo ay balik eskwela, gusto mo dagdagan ng kaalaman. Some of you ay napaka-relyoso. Some of you ay magaling na advisor, mga pastor, something like that, no? So, some of you ay magaling na spiritually guidance ng mga Virgo din. So, Virgo, take what is resonant for you. May mga third party dito, may mga betrayal sa inyo, mga Virgo. Ngayong February. So, Virgo, kung ano ang iyong nasimulan, ipagpatuloy mo lamang. Dahil ikaw lang din ang mag-aari niyan balang araw. Some of you, mga Virgo, ay sisikat this month of February. Yes. So, Virgo, you are the center of attraction ngayong February. Hindi magsimulang parte, okay? So, some of you ay naka-move on na rin sa mga pinagdaanan ng mga Virgo ngayong February. Alright, pag-agaw-agaw sa puso ng mga Virgo din, meron. Some of you ay pag-agawan, no? Pag-away-away tungkol sa property, pag-away-away tungkol sa pag-ibig. Some of you ay pag-away-away tungkol sa posisyon, no? Some of you ay may nakikipagkumpetensya. Take what is resonant for you, Virgo. Okay. So, shine like a star mga Virgo this month. Sisikat ang mga Virgo this month of February. You have hiding enemies, Virgo. May mga potential talent din ang mga Virgo this month. No? So, some of you ay may mga potential talent na ma-discover. Kaya pala, sisikat ang mga Virgo ngayong February. So, some of you mga Virgo ay makatanggap ng blessings na galing ng ating Panginoon. No? Susi, if you can see the picture, there is susi, key. No? Susi ba ng bahay, susi ba ng opisina, susi ba ng sasakyan, whatever, this month. Alright. So, kaya pala dito may na-invade, may nasaktan, no? Virgo. So, may mga wish fulfillment, big celebration na magaganap this month also sa mga Virgo. Virgo, King of Cups. Handang tutulong sa mga Virgo. Handang makinig. No? Handang or masasandalan mo, Virgo, sa lahat ng bagay. Some of you mga Virgo ay may mga blood of a magician. Some of you ay may kakayanan pagganahin. No? Ang mga orasyon, mga meditation. Some of you ay attract love. No? parang madali kang ma-attract or madali ang ma-attract ang mga tao sa inyo mga Virgo. Love, something like that. Yes, like a magic, no? Something like that, no? No, unang tingin pa lang ma-attract na. So, some of you ay may mga wish fulfillment din, Virgo. May maghingi ng apology. Or may batang lalaki, Virgo, na nagdadala sa iyo ng kasikatan. Or nagdadala sa iyo ng abundance sa buhay. Alright, either pamangkin ba, apo, anak, whatever. So you have the Ten of Pentacles. So this means money, money, money in the tarot card. So some of you makatanggap ng malaking pera this month. Some of you manalo ba ng loto, online gaming, o makatanggap ba ng malaking pera sa pinaghirapan mo, retirement ba, property ba, something like that. Okay. So may ex din ditong pabalik-balik sa mga Virgo. May ex ditong laging nag-stalk sa inyong mga picture. So, some of you din ay namimiss nyo na ang iyong pamilya, yung mga anak, yung nanay, yung tatay, no? So, Virgo, you have a calling also here. So, some of you ay laging nakakita ng mga pabalik-balik na mga numbers, mga sounds na pabalik-balik. No, yan ay mga message ng inyong angels, Virgo. So, bigyan mo rin ng pansin ang mga yan. Okay, so Virgo, brave and hero of your family and friends or your boss. Yes, the Fool, you have the Fool card. So be careful dealing about money, pag-ibig, or ano man yan. No, baka may scam tayo. So the Fool card is also freedom. So may kayang or walang makahadlang ni sinuman sa iyong mga plano, Virgo. Okay. You have also good news and good omen. So Virgo, some of you overcome the difficulties this month of February. Yes, some of you ay magkakaroon ng sasakyan or i-upgrade ba ang sasakyan like that, no? Victorious ang mga Virgo din. So Virgo, kung anong mga gusto mo ninanais, you win. Makukuha mo, Virgo. Maraming plano about money. Some of you nagpaplano magnegosyo this February. Some of you nagpaplano magtrabaho ba, whatever, sa ibang bansa. Okay, so be careful, Virgo, you have a backfighter friends. So you have hiding enemies here. Kaya huwag nating basta-basta ipagkatiwala ang ating mga privacy, ating mga secret, no? Yes, dahil you have backfighter friends here, Virgo. Some of mga Virgo ay bagsak na rin ang katawan, no? Kumbaga, pagod na sa katatrabaho. Some of mga Virgo din ay gusto nyo nang tanggalin ng mga toxic na mga tao, mga hindi deserve sa buhay mo. Okay. You are ready also to go, Virgo, tahakin ang buhay na kasikatan, karangyaan, something like that. So this is your button of the deck, Virgo. Big transformation this month of February. Some of you makabili ng bagong sasakyan, some of you makabili ng bahay, some of you biglang lipatan ng country, lipat ng trabaho, something like that, no? This month. Yes. So, some of you ay may soulmate ngayong February din. Some of you ay may manliligaw na medyo bata pa sa inyong mga Virgo. Yes. So, some of mga Virgo ay napaka-energetic. Full of energetic. Some of you ay may mga arkanghel na nagprotekta sa inyo. Wow, community. If you can see the rainbow is wish fulfillment. If you can see the butterfly is big transformation. So, may mga transformation. For Virgo, everybody loves you also. You have also healing chows, Virgo. Yes. Miracles is coming in your way, Virgo. Yes, release. So, release the negative energy. Magpatawad kung pwede, kung may nagkasala, something like that. Okay. So, Virgo, this is confirmation na may big transformation na magaganap sa inyo this month. Okay. Love. You are love, Virgo. You're showing love to everybody. You are love. Yes. You show to the world that love is the greatest gift of all, Virgo. Yes, so trust. So, some of you ay pagkakatiwalaan mo kung anong nasa damdamin mo or sa iyong isipan, Virgo. Follow your intuition, alright? Or follow your heart kung anong gusto mo sa buhay. You have freedom card also here. Magawa mo kung anong gusto mo sa buhay, Virgo. Alright, enlightenment. Some of you ay medyo naliwanagan na rin sa buhay. Unti-unti mo na rin naintindihan ng mga bagay-bagay, Virgo. No? So, flexible din ang mga Virgo. Kahit saan itapon, pwede. Trabaho man, country, whatever, kung ano man yan. Sa negosyo ba. So, gateway, this is also magical ang buhay ng mga Virgo ngayong February. Mga hindi ka panipaniwala. Something like that. Okay. So, Virgo, this is your bottom of the deck. The Dragon. So, this is confirmation that you are the true survivor also, Virgo. Brave, hero, and victorious ang mga Virgo. And if you can see the light here, Virgo, this is the divine. Handa mong masandalan at handa kang protektahan, Virgo, sa lahat ng bagay. Alright. Yes. So, additional message for Virgo. Oh, abundance and prosperity is on the way sa mga Virgo. Wow. Today, God wants you to know, Virgo, that be excited again. God will turn around every bad situation in your life, Virgo. Kayang-kaya ng Panginoon, baliktarin ang mundo mo, Virgo. Okay? Kung nung una ay sad, whatever, kayang-kaya niyang paikutin yan. Yes. So, sister-in-law is jealous sa mga Virgo. Leave no longer serve you, Virgo. Follow your intuition. So, this is confirmation, no? The Holy Spirit works with you. You are the good provider also, Virgo. You are the boss. Boss ba ng iyong tahanan? No? Some of you ay ikaw ang masusunod, no? Some of you ay CEO. Some of you ay big boss, something like that, no? Yes. Comment ka dyan, Virgo. You are a smart, Virgo. You are smart. Your love is real, Virgo. As I've told you, you are love, no? Your love is pure. You're beautiful or handsome. This card also is like beauty. Okay. So you are a joyful person, Virgo. Your friends angry and jealous of you, Virgo. Sana all. Jealous sa inyong kagandahan, sa inyong pagka-smart. You are a giver person also. It's already been done, Virgo. Kung ano man yung mga matagal mong hinintay, ay tapos na yan sa spiritual world. Hindi pa nakarating dito sa mundo. So, a financial miracle will happen for you this month. Your heart is pure. You're going to be rich, Virgo. Don't forget to the people who be there beside you in time you are sad, crying, and feeling down, Virgo. So, huwag kalimutan mo, Virgo, ang mga taong nandyan noong unang panahon. So, yes, you born to be a celebrity, Virgo. Yes, this is confirmation, no? Now, my star here. See? Celebrity card also, this card. You are the first millionaire of your family. Wow, sana all, Virgo. So, you shine like a diamond this month. You're doing with purpose. You have a relationship with the divine, Virgo. If you can see 444, this means you are being supported in all your decisions and goals. You're protected, so stay confident and authentic, Virgo. Okay. Virgo 555, big changes. Something new is coming this February. Poverty is over. Okay. Judgment day of your enemy also, Virgo. Sino man yung enemies mo yan, your prayer is answered. When full of money is coming this month. Oh, soon, malapit na, OMG. Big opportunity. You are not alone. The divine is in your side, Virgo. If you can see 999 Virgo, this means there will be a closure to clear unfulfilling things. Focus your energy on new beginning. So Virgo, huwag mag-focus sa mga past. Mag-focus ka kung anong meron ka ngayon. No, you are a psychic. Also, magaling ka sa psychic abilities. Some of you ay nagtatrabaho sa mga pulisya. He is working on your challenges. So let it go of your stress and trust God. So if you can see 444, this means healing, blessings, miracles, or favor are headed to your house. Claim it, Virgo. Virgo, you love riding. Bicycle ba, motorcycle ba, Virgo? You have a gift of courage, Virgo. Bira lamang ang gift of courage. Whatever you do, it will prosper, Virgo. Yes, again, gift of courage, 666. Abundance life is key. Make sure to stay healthy and bring pleasure into your life. Give time also yourself, Virgo. Okay, eat healthy food, maaga matulog, something. They want you to be trapped, Virgo. May mga taong gusto kang ma-stop ang iyong pag-asinso. So become famous, see? Famous card. Yeah, so this is confirmation. Famous celebrity ang mga Virgo this month of February. You survived the impossible, Virgo. Hold your head up high. Your best days are ahead of you. So don't give up, Virgo. Yes, God says, my child, when people put you down, I will pick you up, Virgo. So yes, angel says, Virgo, your best days are ahead of you. Don't be moved by what you see. Keep walking by faith. God has planned to prosper you, Virgo. Alright, so that's all for this month of February, Virgo. Huwag kalimutan mag-comment at huwag kalimutan ding i-share ang video nito. Sharing is caring, right? So see you in my next video. Bye-bye!